Good morning students and welcome back to our innovative YouTube channel. In today's lecture I am going to give a brief information about the chapter The Diary of Anne Frank. The story is all about the small girl, 13-aged small girl Anne Frank. She was a Jewish girl, and at that time where this girl was alive, it was under this Jewish people was under the Nazis. And it was the situation of World War. So because of these Nazis, this Jewish girl and other Jewish people also have to save their life from this Nazi people. Now this girl in her family, there are total 4 members. Anne Frank, his big sister and their parents. Her big sister of at the age of 16 years and Anne Frank was at the age of 13 years. So it was a very small and loving family and who lived very happily. At the age of 30, on her birthday, her father gifted her a diary, a book, and other gifts were also there, but she liked the most this diary. She never wrote anything about herself or anybody else, but after getting this diary, she thought that she has to write something, not like a diary but like her own friend, because she was not a single child. She had many aunts, uncles. She was living in a 30 family members, but there was not a true friend in her life. So while she thought that paper has more silence than others, right? Paper can calm themselves. Paper can hide such things. If you are writing on the paper, that paper will never disclose that anything or any suspense, right? So paper is very helpful for that. So Anne Frank given the name to the diary Kitty. It was her best friend. Whatever she felt about her whole day, she written in it. In the Kitty. She found that Kitty is her best friend at that time, right? And this Anne Frank was living in the Amsterdam, and to save themselves, the whole family hide themselves in the office where Anne Frank's father was working. For since 2 years, they fight themselves. They were hiding themselves to save from the Nazi people. At the end of these 2 years, already Nazi people found out that the whole family, the 30 members, are hiding here. And finally they all catch these 30 people and they keep these all people, they kill that people, and few people were transferred to the another place. And at the end of this life, Anne Frank was dead with a high fever. He faced a high fever, and finally his family, right, Anne Frank's family was not that much happy. So in this diary, what she wrote, she written about her whole day. Even during her school days also, she noticed that she loved her school days very much. Even she wrote about her class also. It was very notorious class. All the students were very notorious, and they were talking about the stepping forwards of the next class, that who will pass and who will fail. And most of the people felt that, most of the students felt that all will become fail, and especially in math subject, because that time math subject, other subjects were very, very important, but math subject was very important, even nowadays also, right? So Anne Frank also thought that she will fail in math subject because she never liked math subject. Even her friend also was on the same situation. So finally her maths teacher entered in the room, and as I already informed that Annie never liked maths. So whenever the maths subject was coming on, she was talking to her friend. So her maths teacher was not happy with Anne Frank. After so many talking, her teacher got angry on her, and on the punishment, he given to write an essay on chatterbox. Chatterbox means very talkative. As Anne Frank was very talkative, so she got the punishment to write an essay on the chatterbox. She wrote the title on a book, so at the home she can remember her punishment and she can write on it. She went home and tried to think that what she has to write in it, right? Because the chatterbox is a topic you can write anything. So firstly what she did, she write this essay to write in a big while and put more space between two words, so that she end up in a very lengthy essay. But while she was going to write, at the time she thought so many things on it, and she find out a proper arguments for it, and finally she end up with 3 pages of that essay. And the next day she showed to that maths teacher. Maths teacher was very impressed with her essay, and that time that was ending up. Another day what happened, again the maths teacher came, he started the new chapter, and the same thing happened. Anne Frank again started to talk. The same thing happened. Again this maths teacher given an essay, chatterbox, Anne Frank. She has to write the same thing on it. Now she was thinking about what to write, and it was very hard to do. But after all, she was happy that she finished the essay nicely. And next day she submitted that essay to maths teacher. But her talking habit was not ending up. Again next day what happened? The same thing happened in the class, and the maths teacher was very angry this time, and she told that you have to write the same essay with the heading of quack 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 chatterbox, right? So this time Anne Frank was very sad to what to write this time, but her friend Sam was very good in writing poem. That Sam told her that he will help to write an essay, and that time Anne Frank was very happy that he will get the help of Sam. And the whole essay was written in poem form, in poetic form. In this poem, she taken the mother swan and the father, the mother duck and the father swan, and their 3 ducklings. The whole story was based on these 3 ducklings were speaking more quack quack, and because of that, their father scolded him. The whole poem was based on that, and the next day Anne Frank submitted that poem to the maths teacher. After reading that poem, the maths teacher was very impressed. He laughed so much. He read in front of the class, even in another classes also, about this Annie's letter, about this Annie's poem. And he was very impressed, and he agreed that this Anne Frank will never shut her mouth. Even this Anne Frank also convinced her that this thing to talk more she get from the heredity, because her mother is also very talkative. So she is helpless for that. She is not able to make herself shut. So this is the thing she include in her diary also. So this kind of so many incidents she written in that diary. Even she wrote so many things when their family hid from the Nazis. Which kind of situation happened? Which kind of things they have to do? In the whole room, in the small room, there were 30 people surviving themselves since 2 years. So this is the thing. This is a 30-year small girl's diary, but it is very helpful to understand that how their people survive from the Nazis. Right? This is not all about a small girl's whatever the experience she faced, but this is all about the Jewish people who saved their life from the Nazis. So Annie Frank written so many incidents in this diary, and from the diary only this chapter is taken. In this chapter, this is only talking about her classroom experiences. But apart from that also, there was many other things, how they survive in that room, how Annie Frank felt that she has to start to write the diary. So all these things is mingled in this chapter. So I hope you have get enough idea about this chapter, about Annie Frank, the Jewish people, the Nazis people, and how they face such situation. Even after talking so much, she got the title of Quack Quack Quack. Then only she catch the thing, she faced it, and finally she was able to write a poem on it. Even the maths teacher also agreed that she will never mute herself, she was never keep her silence, and he also agreed to talk anybody, anything to Anne. So this is the end of the story. I hope you understand, you have enough understanding about the story, you have enough idea about the chapter. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.